problems with. Oh no, you don't like cats. Really? You don't like cats? Well, I do, but I don't like cats. I don't like cats that get little birdies like you. Neither do you, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Okay, we're even. You just interrupted? Now? You just interrupted again. Now are we even? Yes or no? Yes, we're even. Good. Mwah. Or maybe you talk too much. Do you think that? Okay, then you don't talk too much then. Well, my favorite food, my favorite veggie would probably be potatoes. Everything go better? Yeah. Do you like pineapple? Do you? I don't like it because it stings your tongue. No, it's okay. It's okay. Yeah, I can see that you don't like cats. I can truly see that. What do you like to do?
Yes, she focused on Miri now.
Could you move the cat?
I don't know. Good.
Done talking? Yeah, I think you're done talking.